back, guys. Here's another unboxing. My memory. My 2133 megahertz memory, which every day I look back on and think, why didn't I get faster? No idea, but apparently it's definitely compatible with this motherboard, and we want to avoid compatibility issues at any issue or any chance we get. So let's just snip the sellotape off this flipping thing. Okay, so DDR4 memory. Wow, yeah, that looks nice. Heat sinks, heat sinks plastered over them. Otherwise, all you see is the microchips inside, which you can't quite see here because memory is nothing fancy to look at. So yeah, I'll have a look at them. Yeah, so as you can see, nothing too special there. Oh, well, that looks interesting, doesn't it? Is this how it goes in? Can't quite zoom in on it. But yeah, the sides go in. From that point, it starts going in over here where my little finger is. It goes further into itself, which is interesting. I've never seen that before. Or should I say, I've never noticed that before, just to avoid people saying, yeah, that's just normal then. Yeah. Right. Great stuff. Another one done. We're getting there. A few more to do. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, click the like button, because if you don't, then end of the world might happen. And some of you guys probably don't want that to happen, so make sure you hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe, because